Thank you so much.
यहाँ पे बोलता है यूं जमीन पर बैठकर क्यों आसमान देखता है, यूं जमीन पर बैठकर क्यों आसमान देखता है, पाँव को खोलो जमाना से तेरा उड़ा देता है। वो wonderful message है। Also, let's guess you to give deep claps, continue keep clapping.
जोरदार तालियां आ जाए हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट के लिए। हमारी स्कूल की एक एक्स स्टूडेंट है जो अभी एक मेडिकल स्टूडेंट है, उन्हें मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी स्टेज में। प्लीज गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर आसमा जफर।
Respected, honorable Judge Sir, Honorable Shan Sir, and all other audience who are present in front of me. First of all, a very pleasant good morning to everybody. It's been a long time when I was a student of this school. There is a different connection between this school and me. This school gave me a lot of things. This Yasin English Public School not only helps us in shaping our knowledge, but also this school helps us in achievement of moral values, our characters, and more many things. So, firstly, I would like to thank all others who gave me opportunity to speak in front of you. As a sister, I would like to give some message to my brothers and sisters. My message to all my brothers and sisters is that work hard wherever you go. Hard work is key to success. Whatever you do, first of all, hard work pays everywhere. So, your knowledge is at most, but hard work is very necessary. Your education must be your primary, and rest all other things are secondary. You have to study hard. I don't think so that not only studying is important, but your extracurricular activities are also important. They are also playing an important role in shaping your career, in shaping your personality, and each and everything. So, I would like to request all my brothers and sisters, besides studying, beside your bookish knowledge, participate in extracurricular activities. These activities helps you a lot in your further journey. So, work hard wherever you go. Education is your primary, and rest all things should be secondary. Thank you, sir.
यहाँ पे लिखा है जो इंसान पानी से नहाता है, जो इंसान पानी से नहाता है वो सिर्फ लिबास बदलता है, और जो इंसान पसीना से नहाता है वो पूरा का पूरा इतिहास बदलता है। जैसा आज हम लोग के पास एग्जाम्पल जाट साहब, दानियल सर और आसमा जफर, ये सब आंखों के सामने एग्जाम्पल देखने को मिलता है। So very nice speech and incredible speech. Thank you, Asma Jafar. So you are also students of Yasin English Public School. So now it is a great time. So it is my great joy to welcome one of our students. She is studying in class 10. So she is going to bring a short message before you. So before invite her on the stage, I'd like to introduce about her. So her name is Atika Malik. She is staying in Thanna Mandis from Jammu and Kashmir. So it's my great joy and privilege to welcome her. So please come forward and take your time. So Atika Malik, please come forward and take your time. Give a big clap for her.
कि जुल्फे बरदोश कौन आया, ये किसकी आहट से गुल खिले हैं। कि ये जुल्फे बरदोश कौन आया, ये किसकी आहट से गुल खिले हैं। महक रही है फिजाए हस्ती, तमाम आलम बहार सा है। शुक्रिया तेरे आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, शुक्रिया तेरे आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, वरना ये महफिले जज्बात अधूरी रहती। Respected chief guest, esteemed guest of honor, our honorable principal ma'am, managing director Shakil sir, all the respected teachers and beloved parents, non-teaching staffs and my dear schoolmates. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I, Atika Malik from 10th standard is going to be the host of the day, and I am feeling much obliged to host this annual function. Thank you so much, Principal Ma'am and Managing Director Nadir Ganai sir, to making me the host of this event, for considering me capable of hosting this event. Your confidence and your trust in me has always helped me, and I am really appreciable for it. Now I would like to welcome all of you to the annual function of Yasin English Public High School. I would like to extend my warm welcome to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Muzaffar Sir Iqbal Khan sir, who is none other than the MLA of this constituency. Instead of this, I want to say the chief minister of this constituency, because he is the only man whom the people of the constituency trusted blindfolded. This is all because of his keen and kind behavior towards the people. The passion and dedication to work for people earns respect for him in the hearts and minds of the people of constituency. He is a great man indeed. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. We are very obliged and we are very pleased to have you here. It means a lot. I would also like to extend my warm welcome to all the guests and all the teachers. Thank you so much for coming. And now I would like to introduce a personality on the stage who acts as a pillar of strength with a clear vision, indwelt with novelty in all the activities of school, The most inspiring and the most joyful.
Now, whom I don't know much about, but you, the people of Tanamandi, know him very well. He doesn't need an introduction because the people of Tanamandi showed your love and respect through the recent assembly election.
आप बताएं कि आज आप 11वां एनुअल डे मनाने जा रहे हैं, तो इस मौका पर क्या स्कूल की तरफ से क्या कुछ तैयारियां की गई थी और बच्चों की तरफ से प्रोग्राम भी किए गए, चीफ गेस्ट के हवाले से क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सबसे पहले तो एक बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हमारे बच्चों ने बढ़ चढ़ कर हमारे 11वें एनुअल डे पे हिस्सा लिया है। प्रॉपर कंट्रीब्यूशन हुई है, पेरेंट्स की तरफ से प्रॉपर एफर्ट्स मिले हैं हमें। हमारे बच्चे जो हैं इन्होंने काफ़ी बढ़ चढ़ के मेहनत की है, काफ़ी प्रिपेयर हुए हैं, देख सकते हैं आप इस वक्त। तो ये हमारा 11th एनुअल डे है। आई थिंक 4 साल के बाद हम ये कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बीच में कोविड का मसला था, तो 1-2 साल हमें लग गए इसको वापस आने में। तो हमने बाहर अपने चीफ गेस्ट साहब, हमारे जो MLA सर हैं मिस्टर मुजफ्फर इकबाल खान साहब, उनको इनवाइट किया है एंड ही सिटिंग आउटसाइड राइट नाउ। और थोड़ी देर की बात है, उसके बाद थैंक यू।
Of these 10 years, Yasin English Public School established in 2013. After 2 years, 2015, I joined here. When I joined this institution, less than 100 students strong, I envisioned a brighter future. Today we stand tall with over 750 students, buzzing with the curiosity and enthusiasm. 25 talented teachers, guiding and inspiring young minds. 5 buses connecting our students safely and efficiently. 9 non-teaching staff supporting our daily operations. All classrooms equipped with CCTV cameras and microphones, ensuring safety and enhanced learning. In these 10 years, the lessons that I learned: growth demand resilience, adaptability and teamwork. Excellence is a continuous pursuit, not a destination. Every child deserves attention, care and opportunity to thrive. I would like to share my vision for the future. Strive for innovation and academic excellence. Foster empathy, inclusivity and social responsibility. Enhance infrastructure and resources for holistic development. Strengthen partnerships with the parents and the community. I would like to thank the management. Before that, I would like to remember Mr. Krishna Kumar sir, who brought me here to the North India, Jammu and Kashmir for the first time. Unfortunately, he passed away last month. Remembering him in this moment, in this occasion. Next, the management. The more I speak, the more I feel about it. Especially Shakil sir, the owner of this institution. From the beginning, he is being with me. Anything that I requested, he is just okay with it. He understands the thought behind what I am doing. He always says, just do whatever you want. Thank you so much for trusting me, treating me like your family, supporting me. He never treated me like a staff. Always, the whole family of Shakil sir treated me like his family member. The ultimate decision will be mine. So thank you so much. Of course, Nadir Ganai, the managing director, and he is now my academic partner. We used to sit together, discuss. He values my words, listens me. We discuss about the new education system. We try new things to implement for the betterment of child's future. I think the school excels when the management understands what academic is. I also would like to remember my older teachers. In 2015, when I came here, it was zero reputation. So, I had nice staff from Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Kerala and local teachers worked with the dedication and helped me to develop this school. And also, the gratitude to our students, your energy, enthusiasm, fuel our passion for teaching. To our teachers and staff, your dedication, expertise and teamwork drive our success. And finally the parents. In 2015, still I remember the first parents meet. I promised them, I asked them only 2 years. They gave me 10 years, more than now around 10 years I am